Picture this. You're at a water park, all set to slide down the giant water slide. You're excited, you're ready, but the moment you sit down, you don't move an inch. Why? Friction, my friends, friction. Imagine how less fun water parks would be if friction decided to take a day off. Now you might think friction is a party pooper, but it's actually our invisible hero. Without it, we'd be slipping and sliding all over the place, like a banana peel on a comedy show. Imagine trying to brush your teeth with a toothbrush that just keeps slipping out of your hand. Or picture trying to eat soup with a spoon that refuses to stay put. Sounds like a slapstick comedy routine, right? But that's what a day without friction would look like. Without friction, playing basketball would be like trying to dribble a bar of soap. A world without friction, more like a never-ending ice skating rink. So next time, you're able to walk without sliding or pick up a glass without it slipping. Thank friction. Now, we've had our laughs and learned a bit about friction, but what about you? Your life is filled with friction stories, even if you haven't realized it yet. Ever tripped over a rug? That's friction, or rather, a sudden lack of it. Kept your coffee from spilling while navigating a crowded room? Friction to the rescue again. So think about it, and you'll see how friction is a part of your everyday story. So go ahead, share your own friction tales with us. Remember, it's not a slip-up, it's just friction doing its job.